guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. But you're gonna always be a little nervous, so don't let that stop you, okay? Once you have your proper training and everything, let's just be about it. That's why I like the mentorship program, because if you do get stuck out there, 7 days a week we have training. We help you. A live chat is what I'm trying to say. We have the live chat 7 days a week. So if you get stuck on your assignment, you know, after you prepared it and everything, just drop it in that chat really quick. If we got to call you, we will. And what I teach our people to say to their client, because you don't want to look like you don't know what you're doing, is just say, hey, I'm going to confer with a teammate right quick. Or let me ask my teammate right quick, you know. And that's how you get out of that. I've had to do that before when I first started. I didn't know something, but the key to that is really preparation. And once you have your proper training and you know you got somebody got your back, like our team and your fellow notary community, your notary family, then you be good to go, girl. We got you. Don't be leaving money on the table. I had this conversation with somebody else recently, and they did finally take their first signing. All right, Davina says, hey Davina, I have everything I need. I just don't feel confident enough to start. Davina, you are the person I am looking for. You are the person, and we are the people you're looking for. I want you to have the confidence to go ahead and get started. A lot of you do have your commission, you have your paper, you have your toner, you have your supplies, but you don't have no money coming in. So now we need to get you in mentorship. You can check it out at notaryeducators.com at your convenience. There's no pressure, but check out mentorship and let us help you. It's true mentorship. You have the courses that you need to get the foundation, and then you have the live interaction. That's why when I started this mentorship program, the main reason I started the way I did, and it took me forever to come up with a mentorship program because it was not going to be junk. I needed it to be mentorship where you can actually learn something, and then I could actually help you. And I didn't know how to do that and have my business too, because you know I have my own business. I just left a job. So, but I figured it out. So we meet weekly. Every week we meet. It was a live topic, and then the second half of it is coaching. In addition to that, we have a chat that runs 7 days a week. I'm in the chat basically. I will answer other stuff too, but I'm basically in there to help you with your signings. The community, the notary community, is there to help each other with what color business card should I pick, or what should my logo be. You know, I will chime in on that kind of stuff, but my main role is to help you to get your signings completed. Okay, help you with your business. So think about mentorship, okay? It's $47 per month, and you can find all the details at notaryeducators.com. All right, and that will definitely add to your confidence. Angela says Notary Gadget. Notary Gadget is the app that we use to keep a track of all of our signings, and it also tracks your mileage for you. I do have a link. I'm an affiliate. Small commission that they pay me for that, but I love it regardless. I was using it before I became an affiliate. So you can check it out though under resources at notaryeducators.com. Also under the resources page, there is a free supply list that we recommend. There's also a link to get your EIN number for free. There's a link to get information about LLCs there. So there's a lot of free resources over there, okay? So check that out. I really want you guys to get started, and that's why we put the mentorship at such a nice price. Don't get it twisted because it's reasonably priced, that it's not going to be everything that we say it is. You can't be on YouTube 5 years almost and not offer what you say. So it's the real deal, guys. The reason we keep it so reasonable is because we really do want you to win. We really do. And our mission, and the same way I teach other people even in their businesses, we're not trying to make all of our money off of one client, nor should you in your notary business. It's kind of like that Jamaican thingy where people kind of come together, they pool their money together. That's how we run a mentorship. So that's how we're able to offer all the services that we do. It's not just one person, you know, it's everybody. It's a team. It's a true community. Okay? So let's get this. So check out Notary Gadget Angela under the free resource tab, okay? You will not regret it. It changed our other trainer's life, Alexis, when it came to keeping up with her taxes. It changed her life. All right, and Jeffrey is our Notary Gadget person, but he's driving. I'll see if he can just kind of chime in. Maybe 3 things you like about Notary Gadget. Can you speak up a little bit too?
It measures your mileage between your appointments, and if you have a job on the same day, then you tell it if you're leaving, if you're going like if you're going just from your home office to the appointment and back, if it's like a round trip, it'll give you your mileage. And also if you go from another job or what have you later in that same day, because of course you're going to key in the date, and then you're able to customize where, I'm going from my first appointment to my second appointment and back to your home office, and then from there, it calculates that. Also, what was the other thing? It's when you put your addresses in there, it connects to your different addresses. So it makes it very easy for you to manage everything. I made a couple of updates because I had went in there for a while. Because I go in there every few weeks, maybe sometimes close to a month, and I update all of our signings that we had to do, through the course of the month. But they made some adjustments in there. They also have some videos if you want to see that on how to use the different features that are very, very helpful. So yeah, I really like using Notary Gadget. It makes it a lot easy. And then toward the end of the year or through the course of the year, you can keep track of your expenses, how much money you've made, things like that, your P&L, profit and loss, all of those things you can keep track of as far as your taxes are concerned.
Look at Jeffrey talking about P&L.
Yeah.
I love when he talk that kind of talk. Wait a minute, y'all. He talking about P&L. That is hilarious. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. So that's Notary Gadget. S. Abdul says, I got my commission last month doing my trainings now. Yes, S. Abdul is in mentorship and she's taking full advantage of everything. And that's what I really want you guys to do. I find that the people that sign up for mentorship, do the trainings, come to the live training sessions, and participate in the chat, those are the ones that blow up, honey. Now, my people kind of shy. Y'all hear me say that all the time. Everybody don't do social media. They don't do YouTube. But I've been taking snippets of our sessions and just trying to give you a sneak peek as to what's going on. I have a few people that don't mind, really coming out. So hopefully I can get some of them on the channel soon. Melissa, hey, hon. Melissa says, so when you accept these jobs in Georgia, an attorney needs to be present at every signing? No, not every signing. Not every signing. This one here, was it a seller's or a buyer's? A seller's package. So the person was selling. Typically on my seller's packages, I don't have an attorney, but this particular attorney wanted to be on there from the beginning to the end, and I don't even usually call on an attorney package, on a seller's package rather. Now, if you have a refinance, you will always have an attorney. I don't find the attorney. I don't have to pick the attorney. It's already assigned with the job. So whatever company, so they use an ABC signing company. ABC signing company knows that Kimberly Nunnally is in Georgia. So when they give me certain packages, they already assign the attorney. Because I get that question a lot. Do I have to find the attorney? No, I do not. Now, this attorney that I work with today, guys, oh my gosh, she was so super cool. And I would love to be like her preferred notary, but I wouldn't dare go behind the signing company's back and give her my information. Now, I hope she felt equally strong about it, and maybe she could be like, oh, let me call that girl. I would love that, right? But I wouldn't dare go behind their back and try to pillage the signing.